Okay, dryer runs but won't get hot. So the first thing is we're going to have to remove that panel right there. Okay, we have to remove that panel to get to the element or whatever else may be wrong. But I'm going to check the element first. Okay, the very first thing you do is go to your breaker and turn off your breaker. Make sure that nothing comes on and that all the electricity is shut off. Okay, down here there's a screw, should be 1/4 inch. Same thing on this side. Okay, now let's remove the panel. Whoa. Whoa. This is full of lint. Full. When it wasn't drying, I went out to check the outside to see if the outside had lint in it, but it didn't. Okay, I'm going to clean up this lint, get a vacuum cleaner, and then I'm going to check the element. But also, this here is also where more lint could be. So we're going to take that off also and vacuum that out. Let me start on this first. Okay, now I've vacuumed it out, and I'm going to start to take this off. There's one screw. Okay. Oh, let's have one more. Oh. Let me pull this lint trap out. Okay, this has a lot of lint in it also. I'm going to clean it out. Okay, get a little ratchet, 1/4 inch. Get this one out. All right, I got that one. All right, now, okay, we have a couple of them. Let's get in here. Okay, got that one. And then there's one more over here on the side. All right. You have to get all three out. Okay. Now we have all three out. It should come. Okay. Wow. More light. And lots more. Okay. So okay. Now we have to get those two off, and then we'll be able to get the element out. Okay, I have the ohm meter, and when you touch together, okay, it lets me know that that's connection. So when I touch these two, I should know that it's got a connection. And it doesn't. Okay? Originally, when I looked at it, I didn't think anything was broken, but I found it. It's right here. So I need to trick it for tonight so we can dry the clothes, and then I'm going to order the part. It has a part number right here. So I'm going to order the part. I'm going to hook this up so we could finish drying this load, but I don't recommend leaving it like that. If you're just trying to get through the night, fine. Okay, this is just a temporary fix. You have to reorder this and get the whole new part. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to make this spring, well, heating element, and we're going to put it over the rest of this heating element. Combine them together. Then I'm going to take this wire and I'm going to bend it over this one to help make a connection. Okay. And now I'm going to recheck it. And now we have a complete connection. Okay, now we have a complete connection. Okay. All right, now this is only temporary. This is just to get me through tonight. All right, if the element was good, then I was going to have to check the fuse, and if not that, the thermostat. And being I have it apart, I think I'm going to go ahead and test them anyway, just to make sure that they're not bad also. But I believe when you order the kit, you get all of that. So let's put it back in. Okay. Now this is the thermal fuse. I took one wire off, and now we're going to check it with the ohm meter. And this fuse is good. So I put that wire back on. All right, now okay, now remember, this is a temporary fix just to get me through tonight. Slide this back in. Okay, I'll get the screw in now before I put everything in the way. Okay. All right, now remember, we had the red with the white wire on the bottom and the solid red on top. Yours may be different, that's just how this one is. Okay, now I don't suggest you do this, what I'm about to do, but I put the heating element in, I turn the breaker on. I want to see if this heats up. All right, it's heating. Okay, don't do this. All right, I'm going to go back out and turn it off. And okay, I'm going to go back out and turn the breaker off. And then I'm going to put it all back together. Okay, now okay, there's a little slot right here that this goes into, and then you see the screw hole. Just start it a little with your fingers. Now we have one underneath here. Once you have them both started, then go ahead and tighten them down. Okay. Have them all tightened up. Now, let's get this cover back on. Let's get this one in here first started. Okay, then we'll come over here. Okay, let's get this one started. And then we have one up here. Okay, now we have that all on. Okay, let's get these screws back in. Oops. Okay. Clean the lint out. Open the door. Put that back in. Alright, let's go turn the breaker on. Okay, breaker's back on. Time dry. Okay. Well, that should do it. I'm going to order the new piece now, and then I'll show you how to install the new one. Remember, this is only temporary. It's only good to get you through the night so your clothes don't get moldy. It's just to get you through temporarily till the new part comes in, so your clothes don't get moldy. These were all wet. Couldn't let them go overnight, not being dry. Okay. Hope this helped you.